Hey, it's a great day in Coto de Caza. Today's Christmas. I want to show you some of the water birds we have on our south golf course in Coto de Caza. Here we have a great blue heron. He's trying to catch a fish. Alright, there we have an American coot, marsh hen, kind of like a rat. Over here in the marsh or the reeds, this is a snowy egret. It's like a white egret, but notice he's got these yellow feet. So he's a snowy egret. Okay, here's a couple mallards we have. They're migrating visitors. Up here in the tree, here, these guys here, they're called black-crowned night herons. Nyctocorax. They're night hunters, and they like to eat snails and other grub off the golf course. And his name means night raven in Latin. That's this guy. We got another one down here on the bank. There he is. Black-crowned night heron. Wow. So over here on the bank we have some double-crested cormorants, and they're fish eaters. And you notice their bill has a little hook on the end of it, and that hook is to grab onto the fish so the fish don't get away. And that guy here, see, these cormorants have no oils in their glands, so they can't repel water like water off a duck's back. So in order to dry off, they have to fan out like this in the breeze or the hot sun to dry off. And then here in front, these guys are northern shovelers, and they get their name for their big shovel-like bill or beak. And this is the female. Here's another female. Here's some males over here. So they swim around in circles to kind of churn up the water. You get the invertebrates to the top, and they'll suck in the water, and their bill or their beak, it acts like a sieve to remove all the water and the muck, and so they just have the invertebrates and other little animals they could eat. Alright, down here, who's this guy? Oh, there goes our cormorant. Alright, here we have our cormorants taking a little swim. Over here, this guy here, this is an egret. And this is a great white egret, and you know by the color of his beak here, big bright yellow, he's ready to spear something for lunch, little Christmas dinner. Alright, and here's a Ruddy Duck cruising down. This is a male, non-breeding yet. He'll get the big bright blue beak soon when it's breeding season.
And here's a pied-billed grebe. And his cousin, we have a western grebe.
So here's a closer look at our, oh, there he goes. See his yellow feet? It's our snowy egret. Yes, oh, and here's a little turtle. Check this guy out. This is called a red-eared slider. He's a little turtle here bobbing up and down. Oh, there he goes. Okay. So that's all the wildlife we have today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye.